What's that?
Oh, it's how much I need to retire.
$1 million? That seems like a lot.
Well, actually, it might not be enough.
How is $1 million not enough?
Math, inflation, the fact I'll probably live till 90 and I still have to pay for things.
I hate this conversation already. Everyone does. So, how much should you save for retirement? The real answer is more than you think. The classic rule is save $1 million, retire at 65, live off of 4% withdrawals per year, which is roughly $40,000 annually. Sounds good, right? Except $40,000 today will not have the same value as $40,000 in 30 years. Inflation will eat purchasing power alive. Also, what if you live to be 95? What if healthcare costs skyrocket? What if your 401k takes a hit right before you retire? Suddenly, $1 million doesn't feel like enough. So, how do you actually figure this out? How much money you need to retire, I mean. Start off with how much you need per year in retirement. A good rule of thumb is 70% to 80% of your current income. If you make $60,000 a year, plan for $42,000 to $48,000 a year in retirement. Now, multiply that by 25. That's what we call the 25 times rule. So, for example, if you need $50,000 a year, you'll need $1.25 million to retire. Okay, why 25? Because of the 4% rule. You withdraw roughly 4% per year, and statistically, your money will last 30 years or so without running out. Now, statistically, that's not guaranteed. Most people think I'll just save $1 million. Cool. How? Now, if you're 25 and you want $1 million by 65, you need to save about $400 a month at a 7% return rate. Now, if you're 35, you're gonna have to save $800 a month. And if you're 45, $1,600 a month. And the later you start, the harder it gets. Because you lose the most powerful tool you have, time. Compounding interest doesn't care about your excuse. So, what's realistic? Financial advisors say save 15% of your income for retirement. So, every year starting yesterday. If your employer matches 401k contributions, that counts. It's free money, take it. But 15% assumes you start in your 20s. If you're starting late, you might need 20%, 25% or more. If that sounds impossible, welcome to why most people aren't actually ready to retire. The average American has around $200,000 saved for retirement, which sounds okay, until you recognize that that has to last you 30 years. Now, here's the good news. You don't have to figure it all out today. In fact, you might know somebody that can help you figure it out tomorrow. Psst, psst, that's me, I'm that guy. The key is to just start, even if it's just $50 a month. Something is better than nothing. Max out your employer match if you have one, then increase contributions by 1% each year. You won't even notice. And if you're behind, don't panic. Catch-up contributions exist. After age 50, you can contribute more to your retirement accounts. The system knows people mess up and is trying to help. Also, this thing called Social Security exists for now. It won't cover everything, but it's something. Don't count on it being your only plan. That's our show. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, retirement savings isn't about hitting some magical number. It's about saving enough so future you doesn't have to work at 75. Because present you wants a nicer car. Hey, so did you figure out your retirement number yet?
Yeah, I'm still working on it.
Wow, that's depressing.
You're right.
I didn't even factor in depression medication.